adding bullet points instantly can really make your text easier to read and understand, and is more organized. It has a clear structure, and you can really separate information from just chunks of text, so this is really perfect for ingredients in a recipe, outlining steps in the process. So now what you have to do, first I'm going to just open a layer project. Now I'd like to add here a text. You also press T. I'm going to change this to 50, and now I'll just write here some text, and now if I want to add bullet points to this text, I can select this text and go to here. We have list. We click again, we have dots or numbers. So from dots to numbers, also click here and just increase this line spacing. You can also add some here, click aligns. But now when you click on and another text, it's going to add another number automatically. Now you can change, of course, this text, this font, if you don't like a font that you're using, you can change. It's going to change everything, so works well. I hope you found this short tutorial helpful and save your time. Instead of looking online, you found this short tutorial and you learn how to do this fast and easy. If you have any questions about Canva, let me know in the comments section. Thanks for watching.